Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your dock position on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you just bought one of the latest Macs, such as the MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, then personalizing it is one of the first steps you might want to take. After all, the default macOS setting leave a lot of desire and may not match your workflow. And thankfully, you do have several options to customize your Mac like a pro. The Mac application dock happens to become an element that many users like to tweak. Whether you're on macOS Sonoma or an older OS version, all you have to do is follow this step by step in this video to change your dock position. As you can see in here, my dock position is on the bottom of the screen. Now, I want to move it to the side, maybe right or left side. So first, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. You can go to dock and menu bar, click on dock and menu bar, and in here, you'll find there is an option, position on screen. By default, it's set to bottom. But if you want to move it to the left, you can just click on left. So your dock will be moved to left, like this. Or maybe you want to move it to right, you can just click on right, so your dock will be on right of your screen. And you can also change the dock size in here on your MacBook. So simple, right? So that is how to change your dock position, how to move your dock position to the left of the screen. So thank you and see you.